Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is REALME 7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a contact on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our contacts app and we have to start with our number of the new contact. So I'm gonna type something like this. And now we can create a new contact by clicking on this button right here. Now right here, as you can see, first is our photo of the contact, and we can take the photo with our camera or choose photo, and we can choose it from our gallery. So I'm gonna use this one. I don't know why it isn't choosing this photo right here. Then I'm gonna use photo. Oh, okay. It just a little bit laggy. So now here we can set a first name and last name. So I'm gonna set something like Jacob L. And we can also set name prefix, middle name, and name suffix. Here we can set a company, I don't know, so our Jacob gonna work at Facebook. And here is his phone number. But it can also be mobile, work, home, main, work fax, home fax, pager, other, or some custom label. And we can do this with multiple numbers. And same with email. Look, I'm gonna type something like, I don't know, I think it looks like an email. And now we can choose if this email is work, home, other, or custom label that we can create. And address, so I don't know, I think that's gonna be okay. And we can choose if this address is home, work, something other, or a custom label. And also we can set multiple addresses. Here is EM, and also we can choose if this EM is IEM, Windows Live, Yahoo, Skype, QQ, Hangouts, ICQ, Jabber, or something custom. And also we have here website, date, and we can choose if this date is birthday, anniversary, something other, or whole new custom label. Relationship, and we can choose if this relationship is with our contact's assistant, brother, child, domestic partner, father, friend, manager, mother, parent, partner, referred by relative, sister, spouse, or custom label. And we can also here set a zip. We can write notes about our contact or create a whole new custom label. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And this is our new contact. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!